Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the Earth Science Regents. Start by understanding the exam structure and content. Review the New York State Earth Science Core curriculum to grasp all required topics. Identify areas where you need more focus and understand how the exam is scored. This foundational step is crucial for building an effective study plan and ensuring you cover all necessary material thoroughly. Next, dive into a thorough review of all Earth science topics, from astronomy to geology. The Earth science reference tables are your most important tool. Learn to use them efficiently. Make flashcards for essential vocabulary and concepts to aid memorization. Supplement your textbook with educational videos to gain different perspectives and clarify challenging subjects. Consistent review builds a strong knowledge base. Now, it's time to practice. Work through many past Regents exams, simulating actual test conditions with a timer. Don't just check answers. Analyze why you got questions wrong to truly learn. Practice drawing and interpreting diagrams, as these are common on the exam. Develop strong time management skills to ensure you can complete all sections within the allotted time. As the exam approaches, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get sufficient rest in the nights before the test. On exam day, eat a nutritious meal and arrive early with all required materials, such as pencils and a calculator. Stay calm and confident. Trust in your preparation. A positive mindset can significantly impact your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.